Hi everyone, welcome back to Let's Learn English with JF YouTube channel. It's me JF. Today in this lesson I'm going to teach you new vocabularies which I've titled as that stop using worry, right? So before going ahead into today's lesson, if you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon. Also if you really want to improve your speaking English, press the bell. So let's begin our today's lesson. So the first word that we are going to learn, that is very bad. If something is very bad, how you can use a new word for that? That is awful. Mean the word awful is similar to the meaning very bad. So stop using the word very bad. Use this new word that is awful. Awful, which is completely similar in meaning to very bad. So let's make an example on it. When I taste that cake, it was awful, right? It's mean when you taste that cake, that was very bad in taste, right? The next word that we are going to learn, that is very funny. Instead of very funny, you can use a new word that is hilarious. Hilarious. So start using this word instead of the old word very funny. So if you meet someone, right, that makes you happy. For example, if you meet with someone, he is very or she is very funny, so instead for them you can use this word that they are very hilarious. Or for example, if Ali is very funny, so you can use this word that Ali is very hilarious person. Mean Ali is very funny person, right? So the next word that we are going to learn, that is if someone is very tall or something is very tall, so for that you can use a new word that is towering. Towering. The word towering is similar to the meaning to very tall, right? For example, in our class there was a girl, Aisha. She was very towering, means she was very tall, right? The next word that we are going to learn, that is angry. If someone is very angry, so they are furious. If someone is very angry, they are furious, right? For example, last night our cousin was furious about his exam. Our cousin was angry about his exam because he thought that he couldn't study it in few months, right? That has passed. So now he's not ready for the exam and he was feeling furious, right? So the next word that we are going to learn, that is very easy. If something is very easy, that is effortless for you. If something is very easy for you, that is effortless for you. For example, you master in a subject that is physics, and you have given an exam. If your friend asks you outside of the examination hall that how was your physics paper, it was effortless for me because I'm mastering that. Because it wasn't easy because I have done master in that, right? When something is easy for you, that is effortless. That is effortless for you, right? The next word that we are going to learn, that is very sad. Very sad. If you think that you are very sad, it's mean you are sorrowful. You are sorrowful, right? For example, I saw my friend last night. He was crying and he was very sad. So when I asked him what was the reason, he told that he has failed his last year exam. He was failing his last year exam. So he was very sorrowful for that. Sorrowful means very sad for that, right? So the next word that we are going to learn, that is ugly. Very ugly. If something is very ugly, so you can use a new word for that, that is hideous. The word hideous means very ugly, very awkward, right? I don't want to make any example on it, right? Because I don't have any idea how to make an example. If you have an idea how you can make an example on this word, so write that word or that sentence in the comment section below. Go and type your comment with an example, right? So the next word that we are going to learn, friend, that is very quick. Very quick. If someone or something is very quick, or for example, if you saw someone, she speaks very quick, so they speak rapidly. They speak rapidly. The word that is similar to the meaning to very quick, that is rapid. For example, I used to speak very rapid English, right? But now my English is broken. This is an example I just given. For example, as an example, I just use this sentence or just make this sentence, right? So the next word that we are going to learn, that is very dangerous. If something is very dangerous, it is powerless. It is powerless. Powerless is similar to the meaning where to a word that is very dangerous. So start using this word and stop using that word that is very dangerous. So you have a new vocabulary that is powerless. So begin your example with it. Let's make an example. So the example that is this, that when your hands are wet or socked, right? So do not touch the electric wires because it is powerless. You will be killed, or you will be killed. So the next word that we are going to learn, that is very dirty. If someone's clothes is very dirty or something is very dirty, you can use a new word for that, that is filthy. Filthy. So start using new word filthy instead of the old word that was very dirty. For example, I saw a dog on the edge of the road last night, that was filthy, mean that was dirty, right? So the next word that we are going to learn, that is very wet. If someone or something is very wet, they are soaked. They are soaked. When my cousin come home, right? When my cousin come back to home last night, because of heavy rain, his whole clothes was soaked. His whole clothes were very soaked, right? So the next word that we are going to learn, that is very quiet. Very quiet. Very quiet means hushed. Stop using word very quiet. Start using new word that is hushed, right? For example, when I went to my class last week, so the students were hushed. Mean the students were quiet. They were not making noise, not anything else, right? They were hushed. They were keeping silence. So the last word that we are going to learn, that is very, very, very difficult. If something is very difficult, they are arduous. They are arduous. Mean you can use this word arduous instead of the word very difficult. For example, last year our physics paper was arduous. Means it was very difficult. So hope friend, you have learned these new words, new vocabularies, so you will use it in your conversation with while doing conversation with someone, right? So friends, what you're now supposed to do is take out your notebook with a pencil or a pen and write down these all in your notebook and begin or initiate using these with your partners. Friends, if you like this video, don't forget to like it, press the like button, and do also comment. Your comments are very valuable for me because I learn from them and I get to know what do you need more. Means to say that do you need vocabulary, grammar, course, or whatever else. So that's very important for me to know how this video was, or how this lesson was, how this vocabulary was. So your comments are very valuable for me. So don't forget to like this video and also do comment. If you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon also. See you in the next lesson. Until that, bye.